O, taho kayo dyan. Is that good? Yes.
You don't want it?
He's sharing.
You don't want it or not?
Ay, be careful. Yeah, he's just sharing, but he's gonna get his own.
He got his own.
But that's so nice of you, Tio.
That it.
Yung sa akin, kunti lang na sugar. Yeah, I know si Manong. Biglang nag-iba ka agad yung isip ko.
Pagkalingon.
Pagkalingon, yes. Alam niya to, like last time. Oh my gosh, okay.
Ito na yung bagyo. Isang mano na ita.
Yeah. So good. Ayan. Let's try this taho. Oh. So, kunti lang yung pinalagay ko na sugar. Is it pretty good? Mas gusto ko yung taho niya kaysa dun sa isa. Gusto ko pumunta sa bahay. So, what do you think?
It's very good and it's very precious.
No, do you think this one is better than the other one?
It's tasty.
Thank you, Lakay, for sponsoring. Alam mo, ang dami na nating nakain dito sa kahihintay natin. Kanina nag-banana chip sila, ngayon taho naman. Kanina pa kami naghihintay dito ng papuntang Baguio. Mamaya may pupunta na naman dito na ano. Baka dito na rin tayo mag-lunch. Kumain na tayo ng rice dito. Sinas.